Just don't.
What do I do with them?
I don't know. Just put them by your side.
Gang
you can go get. There might be some controversy. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have a crazy big video here for you guys. One that's taken a lot of work and a lot of anticipation, but it's finally here. So as you guys can see, we're currently in the new shop. We have the full build video coming up for you. But before we get started, I just want to say, if you guys do like what you see, there's a lot of cool content coming out of this place, man. We have our first build over there. We have my vehicle right here. A lot of others lined up too, man. So if you guys do enjoy, make sure to hit that subscribe button, notifications on, subscribe, comment, like, share, tell your friends, and yeah, we would appreciate it. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get this thing started, and we'll catch back up with you guys at the end of this thing. Enjoy.
without have no soul.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video of the shop being built. It was a lot of work. We put so many hours into this thing. I want to thank some people, my brother, my wife for putting up with all the time and money we spent on this thing. Bruce, Aaron, Jesse, the girls who taught us how to do this floor. Like I said, a ton of hours went into this. I want to thank Calvin for like moving all the way down here and agreeing to do a show here in this garage. So keep liking for more content.
That's right, man. Of course, huge thanks to this guy making this whole thing possible. We got the cameraman behind the big rig back there. Yup, he's out here doing big things and getting us the content that we need. So
yep.
Thanks again to anyone who made this possible. Thanks to you guys for watching, and this is literally the start of something big, man. Like honestly, we have huge plans. And I mean, we could get into that, but just stay tuned, subscribe, and sooner than later, you guys will hear exactly what we got planned, and it's big. So like I mentioned before, guys, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys want to stay tuned for further content, and toss a comment, say what's up, and we'll see you guys in the next one. A lot of content coming up, possibly tomorrow, and you should be seeing almost daily content from us. So that's right. We're gonna be grinding for y'all, and we got a lot of cool stuff coming. So we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Should I look at the camera or look at you or?
You can look at the camera, you can look at me a little bit, you can look at Travis. Actually, no, don't look at Travis. Look at the camera or me.
I can look right there in the middle of the lens and back at Calvin. Those are probably the two best spots.
Yeah. Ready? Okay.
Just looking at the camera. Just don't know what to do with my hands.
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
I just find it funny. You're just over there smiling at the camera.
I was like, say something, motherfucker.
Dude, what is it? Wait a second. I don't know what to do with the hands. Can I have 2 coffee mugs?
Give me a beer.
Yes.
Can I have
So can I have
at
2?
least 1 beer?
Oh, it's
Can I hold
30
this cup?
Rock. He's like, this feels more natural.
I want this bag of sunflowers.
Do you want to hold the headlight?
You know what?
Do you want to hold the headlight?
I'll hold the headlight.
Do you want to hold the headlight?
I want to hold the steering wheel.
That was good. All right, cool. I like that. You good? All right, cool.
I'm ready.
You found your jacket? Good.
Found my jacket.
Okay. Oh, another one. Where do you get all these from? Oh, that's got some nice LMGT2s on there. I like that.